This is the moment I've been waiting for. As you can see on the screen, after letting my Claude AI trading bot run for 22 hours, the results are finally here. Hey everyone, Andrew here. Today, I'm going to show you how I deployed and tested this crypto AI trading bot, and more importantly, whether it could actually perform in real market conditions. Back in February, I started experimenting with the idea of building an AI trading system with one main objective: creating a system that could fully automate the trading process. During the development process, I used Claude AI as a coding assistant to handle some of the more time-consuming development work and speed things up. After extensive initial testing and further optimization, I was able to build a truly complete token pair trading bot designed to analyze opportunities across decentralized exchanges. Once the bot was completed, I started running it in a real-world environment. For the past 4 months, I've been running this AI trading bot every day. It has become one of my proudest creations and one of the most rewarding projects I've ever built, both technically and financially. So how does this actually work? In simple terms, the bot continuously scans Ethereum-based decentralized exchanges, looking for price differences between the same token pairs across different liquidity pools. Once it finds an opportunity that matches its conditions, it can automatically execute the trade based on the logic built into the system. Alright, let's get started. In this tutorial, I'll take you through the entire setup process from start to finish, and then we'll see what this bot was able to generate after running on the Ethereum mainnet. And if you need any of the links or resources, you'll find everything in the video description below. Before anything else, you'll need a Web3 wallet extension installed in your browser. Almost any Ethereum-compatible wallet should work. If you're using a mobile device, you'll need to complete the process through your wallet's built-in dApp browser instead. Next, we'll move over to the online compiler platform. Create a new file and give it any name you prefer. The file name doesn't affect the process, so you can choose whatever you like. Go ahead and copy the bot's smart contract code into the blank file we just created and prepare it for deployment. The code is completely open source, and I've added detailed comments throughout the smart contract so you can easily understand how it works. I've also linked it in the description below. Check the Solidity version at the top of the contract. Then switch over to this tab and select the exact same version. Enable the auto-compile option, then click this button to compile the contract. Nice. Now it's time to deploy the contract. Let's switch over to the Deploy tab. Open the drop-down menu, select this option, and connect your wallet. Once connected, you should see your account details displayed here. Moving on, let's click the Deploy button. Then, confirm the request in your wallet. As with any blockchain transaction, this requires a small gas fee. Great, the bot has been successfully deployed. You can see the control panel has a clean and intuitive interface. Before we actually start using the bot, let's verify the contract details first. After opening Etherscan, you'll be able to see the creator address of this contract. Open your wallet and compare it with the creator address shown on Etherscan. If both addresses match exactly, it means you are the owner of this deployed contract and have full control over it. Once everything is verified, copy the contract address. We're going to fund the bot so it has enough liquidity to begin operating. Based on my testing, I recommend starting with around 2 to 20 Ethereum. Starting with this range gives the bot enough liquidity to capture more valuable trading opportunities. More liquidity allows the bot to access a wider range of potential opportunities. The minimum starting amount is 1 Ethereum. I wouldn't recommend going below this since bot trading strategies often require multiple transactions. With a smaller starting balance, the potential returns may not be enough to offset the gas fees, which can eat into your returns and even reduce your initial balance. Yeah, as you can see, the contract has successfully received the Ethereum. Now we're ready to get started. Head back to the control panel, click Start, and confirm the transaction. All set. That's it. The bot is now live and executing automated trades on-chain. To confirm that it's running, you should see this status message here. I'll let it run for a full day, and then we'll come back to see how it performed. All right, welcome back, everyone. The bot has been running for 22 hours. Let's refresh the page and take a look at the results. The results are in. We started with 2 Ether, and the contract balance is now showing 2.85 Ether. Over this 22-hour period, we can see that the contract successfully received a total of 9 trading profits from decentralized exchanges. That was a really strong run. I'd say these are some pretty impressive results. Now, for this demonstration, I'm going to withdraw the full balance to my wallet. This includes both the initial amount and the results generated during the test. But keep in mind, once the withdrawal is completed, the bot will stop running. Simply click the Withdraw button, confirm the transaction, and wait for the blockchain confirmation. All right, and just like that, all the Ether has been transferred back to my wallet. If you enjoyed this video and found the test interesting, feel free to like and subscribe for more Web3 and AI content. Before we wrap up, I want to share a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and nothing shown here should be considered financial or investment advice. I'm simply documenting my personal experiment with AI and Web3 technology. If you run into any issues during the setup process, my contact information is available in the description below. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.